Okay, so I wasn't originally going to record my process of working on this program, but I'm going to, as you can see. So a little bit of background if you don't watch the vlogs. I am working on this Kaggle competition, which is predicting the placement of a PUBG game. So I'm just starting off with this. As usual, I sort of don't know where to begin. I'm definitely going to have to look at kernels at some point, but I do know that I have to read in the CSVs, and that's giving me a hiccup right now already. So, quite interesting that that is what I'm struggling with. So, the CSVs are really big, which is what I thought the problem was, so I made this testing, which was only 6 lines, and should have just been read in. But even that was having problems, so I'm going to pass in that header equals 0 as well. See if that helps it. Is it this? Yeah, something's going wrong with importing the CSV, so yeah, I'm just checking this out. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. I'm going to get some music going on for myself. It's really late, so if I don't talk that much, just because I'm sort of tired. It's been a long day, but yeah, I don't know why. It's been a while since I've actually run this read CSV function, but I still don't know why it's not working. It is read CSV not working. I don't know. I'm probably doing something ridiculously dumb here. Oh god, that's so complicated. For pandas as pd pandas.read CSV equals test data. I have no idea why this is such a struggle. And test data. I don't really need to do just the head. Problem with that, guys, is that it wasn't comma delimited, but this is definitely comma delimited. It's not a very informative. Just make sure this thing can work. Otherwise, it's not some weird thing going on. 6.5. I don't know. Yeah, the Python is weird. Okay, so I'm not going crazy. There's something wrong with my interpreter. That makes me feel better. Thought I was messing up the read CSV. Oh man. Okay. So why is the anaconda? Python. For pandas. PD dot. I have no idea. Okay. Well. Why is this not working? Possible that where this is located is not the right place. If I go over here to show my full path, to see users. Users, PG, Anaconda. Where's the other place? Dot Anaconda 3. Looked like it was promising. So it sort of looks like my Anaconda's messed up. Fun times. So if I run Python, yeah, that's the right prompt. That's where this is pointing. So why is this not working? I also just need to get rid of, like, oh, I wish I could just. This is mighty import. Does this work? I mean, a virtual environment really doesn't matter. I feel like this isn't set up correctly. Yeah, I can't run anything. Oh, Anaconda. So what is the problem? Debug why this ain't running. Maybe something to error code. Python Anaconda. Yep, guess I'm re-downloading Anaconda. Good stuff. It's so random, but I hate how my throat makes noises. Makes noise. Okay, so I know I'm not just dumb. Let me go back, just remove that. It should be good because this is sort of a regular sort of file, you know. Comma delimited, has a header, so not much that I have to do. I don't really need the testing. So we need to save the match ID for maybe all of them. I do want to set the index of each row to this ID. It's just a unique ID. Either that or match ID, but I don't understand. It's dumb to me. I don't understand why there's like a regular ID, a group ID, and then a match ID. I don't know what the group ID is for. Wow, so many people started playing games. Oh, I think my internet just dropped actually. No, I don't want to talk to Pulse. Okay. Yeah, I'll just install Python on my SSD. RIP. I just don't know why it's not working. That's unfortunate. So, Set for oh my god, I can't do it. Set first column, that's index. Let's see. Oh, that's the exact same thing. Oh. Oh! Okay, it's just index equals 0. It says that's the third column, so it has to be 1. Why does index start at... Let's find the documentation. I don't like that. Ooh. Wait, I think I can pass in ID? Okay, I should probably just start as 1. No, we'll print it out and see if it grabs the right thing that I want. That's fun. I'm going to fast forward to the part where Anaconda installs for 20 minutes. So I am in the meantime just going to set up some stuff. So we want to load the data in and then do some very, very, very brief statistical analysis. So can't remember how to do this stuff. Pandas, data frame, statistics, describe. Yes, this is what I want. It's been so long since I've done AI. I forget everything I don't do. Okay, so we're going to do describe and then SMP. You never just import sklearn. Do modules. Is it preprocessing.pca? PCA. Feature selection. Yeah, maybe PC is not what I want. I want something that shows the relationship between one feature and the result, in which case I can actually go over to my GitHub page, because I wrote this code a long time ago. Machine Learning Foundations, Boston Housing. Actually, do I have the Titanic on here? Oh. Gotta make sure really quickly. There's no sensitive. Yeah, I'm good. There's nothing sensitive on the page really quick. Yes, Titanic had lots of good stuff in it. If it'll load, and if this will install. Perfect, that's what we're doing right now. My cat just meowed at me. I looked at her, and then she ran away. Alright, sounds good. Oh, true. Ah, that's very true. So we do have to remove the... Did I do this? I don't know if I actually wrote what I wrote. I doubt it. But yes, we do have to remove so test results equals test data. And then what's the last? What's our last column here? Is that win points? Is that what we're targeting? Sounds weird. I thought it was like the win percentage something. Win place percentage. Why is this not at the very end? Boost match. Well, where's the thing I'm trying to get? Weapon required win points. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Whoa. I don't know. That's a good sign. That's a good sign that a random CMD window pops up. Okay, so I guess the win points are win-based external ranking of player. I don't know who window. Oh, is each like row the team that won? Start a match. Players can get to where they get ranked at the end of the game. Oh, okay. First off, I'm dumb. You don't use. Oh man, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. Okay. Okay, training data comes first. Yeah, dummy. Train. You test on the testing data. Man, it's been a long time since I've done this. Oh well, won't worry about that. We'll worry about index goal equals 1. And then our train data, train targets equals PD. This is also completed. I already have VS Code. No. Okay, cool. So hopefully this will run. Add a local one now. Wait, why doesn't it update a local? Was it pointing to the wrong thing? No, that was this guy. Okay. Man, I'm learning so much right now. Oh, man. Yay, it's filled out with stuff. And then the Python through W. Let's see. Yeah? Yeah. Cool. That's good. I don't think I need to do PCA, so I'm just going to say importing the scalar. Then train targets equals well, hold on. Let's look at the train data now, because I realize what I'm doing with my life. Okay, win place percentage. This is what we want. So win place percentage is it's the group ID which gets ranked to them based on how many other teams are still alive when they are eliminated. Interesting. Okay, so if a team gets a 1, then they won. Because it's based on basically saying anything less than 1 means that there's still at least one more team alive and they did not win the game. If it's 1, they won. Yeah, it's just their percentage in the ranking of teams. Okay, cool. So we now know that train targets equals train data. Nope, wrong one. What is the problem here? Identifier expected? What? Okay. I understand what identifiers is. So win place percentage is our new thing. So we're going to get that. I think that's the right way to copy over a new tab. I have it somewhere. Just looking at it. Not what I want. Okay. Yeah. That's how you do it. You stay there. Okay, and then we're going to say train data equals train data dot drop. Yes, this is how this works. Okay. I'm brilliant. Okay. I want to drop the one place percentage because then it knows everything. So we're basically just guessing, given a team's stats, or one person, but they still have a group ID, where will they place in the game? Got it. It's good that we understand that, and then train data is now clean and does not know that it had all the answers before that. Okay. So Hopefully this runs. If it doesn't, I'm upset. These are big CSVs too, so honestly wouldn't be surprised if it's working. It's just taking a long time. Please work. Although I did put in a wrong, possibly wrong .exe for the Python script. What? What do you mean? Element whence compared? Where? I just got. I'm not even running Numpy. Oh, I guess Pandas probably imports Numpy. I know this stuff. Still running. Okay, this is good. This likely means ends updating the packages. Hey, there we go. Okay, coolio. So it does start at 0. That index, which makes sense because counting and programming should start at 0. So it set the group ID as the ID, which don't want. Yeah, we're just gonna want the ID as the ID. I mean, group ID does not matter. But what we will do with the group ID, I think that's what we use for submission. Have to see. Let's go back to the problem. It's like in sample submission. So with sample submission, I don't know which ID I'm submitting here though. Okay, so I'm actually just submitting the ID of the game. So that's fine. That's actually easy for me. So let's just do this for the test cabinets as well, because we're going to have to do it anyways. Say that this equals win place percentage, except that he doesn't have that, so we don't need to do that. Okay. I'm learning all sort of things right now. Okay, that's a little bit of a good start. I know that was short and sweet, but now understand a lot about our data and haven't even gotten into like feature selection stuff yet. So that's going to be the next step. Hopefully I continue this immediately tomorrow, but I will have another video following this one where I do my feature analysis for this stuff. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you like the code and content where I struggle to know what I'm doing.